Yeah, so I think in the previous class we have discussed about this frequency of spectrum, right? Just to have a revisit. So I said there are two different types of spread spectrum and the frequency of spread spectrum, right? So this is how the block diagram of the frequency half spread spectrum system I said. So just to have a revision, what I said here, the information sequence will be first modulated by using FSK modulator. Okay, it may be either BFSK or even MRFSK. Then output of that modulated signal is mixed with the output of the frequency synthesizer. So what is the output of the frequency synthesizer? I get that frequencies based on the PN sequence. Okay, so that is why the PN sequence generator is given as input of the frequency synthesizer. So the frequency synthesizer will be generating the frequencies pseudo randomly. So based on this PN sequence, and that is going to change the frequency of the carrier signal of this FSK modulated signal pseudo randomly. Okay, so that is how is done here. And I said in what way this is different from direct sequence spread spectrum system. There what happened in case of direct sequence spread spectrum, the information signal has been spread over the wide bandwidth first by using a pseudo noise code. Then the BPSK modulation will take place, right? But here it is slightly different. And at the receiver side, again, we are using the same pseudo noise sequence to generate the frequencies. So output of the frequency synthesizer is again mixed with the received signal. Then we do the demodulation, then decoding, and we will get back the desired signal. Okay. So I said here, based on the hopping rate, we classify the frequency hopped spread spectrum has a slow hopping system and fast hopping system. So in case of slow hopping system, the hopping rate will be less than or equal to the symbol rate. Okay, RS is the symbol rate. Means hopping rate will be less than or equal to symbol rate means what? It will change the frequency which is equal to less than the symbol rate. Means the modulated signal will be keep changing, okay, or we can say hopping, right, from one frequency to another frequency, which is less than the symbol rate. Means if I consider a single bit, the hopping rate will be only once in a particular bit it will happen, not more than once. But in case of fast hopping, the hopping rate will be greater than equal to symbol rate. Means if I want to transmit particular symbol, hopping will happen more than once. Okay, so that is why it is said multiple hops per symbol. So that is why it is known as fast hopping system. I hope you have got that point. So based on the hopping rate only, we classify the frequency hopped spread spectrum as two types. One is slow hopping system. Second one is fast hopping system. When do we say it is a slow hopping system? If the hopping rate is less than or equal to symbol rate, then we say it is a slow hopping system. When the hopping rate is greater than or equal to the symbol rate, then we say it is a fast hopping system. So to understand that, so I have taken one example, right? So this is what the PN sequence I have considered, means with the 3-bit, okay, with the 3-bit, this is what my PN sequence. For that, I know when the PN sequence is 001, what is the frequency is going to generate. That is FC1 I call. When it is 111, I call that as FC7. Similarly, when it is 011, so it is FC3. then 001, I call this as FC1, 101, it will be FC5. So these are the hopping frequencies I have. So I said this is my information sequence, right? That will be frequency modulated by using two frequencies. Here I am using BFSK. I transmit 1 by frequency F1 and 0 by frequency F2, where the F1 will be greater than F2. Okay. So with respect to that, what I said, so it is the bit duration, what I am showing here, and this one is the hopping duration. Okay. And I have divided the entire bandwidth into so many sub frequencies. That is right. Since I'm using 3 bits, I can say from FC0 to FC7, means 8 pseudo random frequencies I have. So what I said, so this first will be what F2 no, means it is symbol 0. So the hopping frequency will be what FC1 plus the frequency of the FSK modulated signal is F2. So that is why I can say this one is FC1 plus F2. And for next bit is also the hopping frequency is same, FC1 only, but my symbol is F1, that is 1, right? Symbol is 1, or bit is 1. That is why this will be FC1 plus F1. Okay, so it is hopping with one frequency only, okay, per symbol. And next, for this one, the hopping frequency is FC7. That is why it is at this point. So this is my FC7, okay. And the first bit is 1. That is why it is written here, FC7 plus F1. Then next bit is 0. So still hopping frequency is FC7 only, but I am sending symbol 0 by a frequency F2. That is why I am writing this as FC7 plus F2. Okay. And the next symbol is what? It is 1. So that will be transmitted frequency F1, but my hopping frequency is FC3, right? And next bit is also 1. So that is also transmitted frequency F1. So that is why for both the bits, it is written with hopping frequency of FC3 plus F1 and FC3 plus F1. And next is what? The hopping frequency is FC1. Okay, the first, this bit is 0. I am transmitting that with F2. That is why I can say it is FC1 plus F2. And this one is FC1 plus F1. Okay, so next is what? My hopping frequency is FC5. So in this block, right? So FC5 plus bit is 1. So it is FC5 plus F1. And next one is what? FC5 plus F2. Okay, so there will be means the hopping rate will be less than or equal to the symbol rate. Okay, so this is how the slow frequency half-wave spectrum works. Hope this point is clear. And to continue with that, I have taken another example, right? Whereas here I said it is MR FSK I've used. In the previous case, I have used just BFSK. Here I will be transmitting 2 bits as one symbol, right? So with respect to that, so here I have taken, right? If I want to have, say 2 bits is one symbol, no? Means I will be able to get 4 possible combinations, right? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So if you consider this axis, no? I can say this is for symbol 0, 0, then 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Right? So like that it repeats for all this one. Then I can say 0, 0 by F0, the modulated frequency, then 0, 1 by F1, then 1, 0 by F2, then 1, 1 by F3. Along with that, the hopping frequency. Since I am using here only the 2-bit PN sequence, I can say it is FC0, FC1, FC2, and FC3. So that is my hopping frequency, right? So for transmitting the symbol 0, 1, right? So for this, the frequency is what? F1, right? F1 plus the hopping frequency is FC0. So with respect to that, FC0 plus, so this is all FC0 only, wherever is there, or for all these blocks. Then this one will be FC1, then this will be FC2, then this will be FC3. So like that, I've divided into 4 hopping frequencies: FC0, FC1, FC2, and FC3. Under FC0, so depending upon the symbol, so it will be occupying that particular frequency, right? So FC0 plus F1 I can say. And for this, FC0 plus F3. Okay. Similarly, the next is 0, 0. And here my hopping frequency is FC3. Okay. So please write it here. I have not written 0, 0 means FC1, FC0 you can say. Then 0, 1, FC1, 1, 0, FC2, then 1, 1 is FC3. Okay, even for symbol also 0, 0, you write F0, 0, 1, F1, 1, 0, F2, then 1, 1, F3. So accordingly, you can say what is the hopping frequency plus the modulated symbol frequency. Hope this point is clear. Yes, I am asking, is this clear? You can't say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು you have to switch over the screen and I have to look at your faces and I have to wait for 2 minutes. I will ask randomly some people to explain these things, okay? So that is why I'm repeating once again today also. So you have to be attentive. If you are answering, then only I can think of giving marks in the test. Otherwise, I will make it nil if you are not attentive. So to take another example also, yes, of course, you just think here how many symbols it is. I am transmitting 4 bits is one symbol here. I consider, okay, that is 0, 1, 1, 1 is 1, 4 bits I am considering as one symbol. So like that here I am taking 3 bits PN sequence. With that, these are my PN sequence frequencies. FC1 and this is FC6, FC3, FC1 and FC1, right? So again, the vertical axis, so you can understand since it is FC1, right? And here I said 4 bits, okay, 4 bits is one symbol. So with respect to that, I have I can say for this one, is that correct what I am saying? Am I saying 4 bits or 2 bits? Yes, I am not getting any response. Yes, looking at the diagram, is it possible to say whether the number of bits for MFSK symbol is 2 or 4? Yes, quickly people should be able to identify and say.
2 bits, sir.
Okay, it is same as the previous example only. Only thing is the hopping frequency is different. I have taken it here as 3 bits. Okay, so it is clearly indicated now, right? With every 2 bits. One means it is FC1 plus with this 0, 1, you can think as F1 frequency. So FC1 plus F1. And here FC1 plus F3. Okay, so next is what? It is FC6. So FC6 plus F3, then FC6 plus F2. Okay, 1, 0 you can think as F2. Means if I take a 0, 0 as F0, okay, then 1, 0 as F1, then that is 0, 1 as F1, then 1, 0 as F2, then 1, 1 as F3, like that. Okay, so this is about de-hopping diagram, okay, at the receiver side. This already I told today, so let me straight away move on to the fast frequency hopping. Okay, so in the fast frequency hopping, the frequency hopping rate is an integer multiple of the input symbol rate. That is fine. So only the difference here is what? The carrier frequency will change or hop several times during the transmission of one symbol. Okay, so this is the very important sentence and what you need to take it for this fast frequency hopping system. Okay, so what happens here? The carrier frequency will be changing or it will hop several times during the transmission of one symbol. But in the earlier case, what happens? The hopping rate will be less than or equal to the symbol rate. But here, the hopping rate will be greater than the symbol rate. Means if I want to transmit one symbol, the carrier frequency changes more than once. That is what is known as the fast frequency hopping system. So looking at this diagram, so this is my input binary sequence. Okay, I am taking here 2-bit as one symbol, right? So if I want to transmit this symbol 0, 1, and this is my pseudo PN sequence frequency. Okay, means this is what, even here also I have taken only 2-bit. With that 2-bit, for every symbol I have two PN frequencies. Okay, two pseudo noise frequencies. That is, one is FC0, another one is FC3. Okay, 1 is there, right? So if I want to transmit the symbol 0, 1, it will be hopping 2 times. One is at FC0, another one is at FC7. So that is what is shown here. Again, with two symbols, no, I think you can divide this into 4 sub-blocks, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. And this you can think as FC0, the hopping frequency, FC1, FC2, and FC3. In that, first, as I said, for symbol 0, 1, no? So for the symbol 0, 1, two hopping frequencies are there. One hopping frequency is what? FC0. Another hopping frequency is FC3. Got this point? Yes, my dear student, I am asking. For transmitting the same symbol, it will be hopping at 2 different frequencies. One is at FC0, another one is at FC3. Okay. So if first point is clear, then rest of the things you will be able to understand. For every symbol, it will be hopping 2 times. Okay. For the next symbol, that is for 1, 1. Okay. What is the hopping frequency? Here it is FC1 and this is FC2. Oh, so 0, 1, I can call this as FC1. Okay. And 1, 0 as FC2. Okay. 0, 0 as FC0. Then 1, 1 as FC3. Okay. So with respect to that, for this 1, 1, for transmission of the symbol 1, 1, what are the hopping frequencies? One is FC1 and another one is FC2. So that is why it is shown here. So this is under FC1, right? Under FC1, 1, 1 means this block, right? I said no, here from 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So that block with FC1. And next one frequency is what? Hopping frequency FC2. So this is FC0, FC1, and this is FC2. In that FC2, this block, because the symbol is 1, 1. Okay? Yes, understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next symbol is 0, 0, right? Next symbol is 0, 0. For that, what are the hopping frequencies? I think I expect you people to answer. For this symbol 0, 0, what are the hopping frequencies?
FC0 and
Yeah, correct. FC0 and what is this one? FC2, right? Yeah, FC0 and FC2 means FC0. So you just look at here, right? It is FC0, and since symbol is 0, 0, it will be occupying the first block. Next is what? Next is FC2, right? So this is FC0. I said this one is FC1. Next, this one is FC2. Right. So in that FC2, what is that? I said
0, 0.
0, 0. No, yeah, FC0, FC1, FC2. No, in this FC2, so first block 0, 0. Clear? Yeah. Next one is 1, 1. This symbol, right? 1, 1. For that, what is the hopping frequency? FC0 and FC3. Right. Right. For 1, 1. So FC0. That is why 0, 1. Then 1, 1. 0, 0. Yeah. Next one is 1, 1. Sorry. Okay. For this 1, 1, I think let me make it full screen so that I can use. Yeah. Yeah, I hope everybody has understood the first symbol for this 0, 1. I said, what are the hopping frequencies? This is what I said, FC0, right? And this one is FC, what, FC3, okay? So this one is what? For 0, 1, no? So I said this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So with respect to that, so it is occupying this frequency, that is FC0. The same symbol will be hopping to what is another frequency, FC3. Okay, so this one, this point.
Sir, we can't see the slideshow, sir.
You can't see, huh?
No, sir.
Okay, miss, whatever I'm writing, it is not visible. I'm writing with
No.
pen.
No, sir.
No. So with this, I will not get any option for writing if I don't go for slideshow. Okay, now I retained whatever I marked. Na? Is that clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I marked two tick marks, right? I said this is first symbol is 0, 1, right? For transmitting that 0, 1 symbol, it will be hopping at two frequencies. One is what? FC0, another one is FC3. So, okay, so this is my FC0 hopping frequency. Means for based on the PN sequence, see, I have taken here 2-bit PN sequence only. With that 2-bit PN sequence, I can have 4 different frequencies, no? FC0, FC1, FC2, and FC3. I think all of you can write in your notebook, write 2-bit 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. You write the hopping frequency as FC0, FC1, FC2, and FC3. Similarly, for this symbol input binary data, I am taking 2-bit as one symbol, right? Even for this data also, you can write 0, 0 as F0. Okay. Then 0, 1 as F1. Then 1, 0, F2. Then 1, 1, F3. So the hopping frequency, so what I said, so I made these 4 sub block as one frequency, that is FC0, then FC1, FC2, then FC3, right? In that again I have what 4 bits, right? Why I have divided into 4 sub block is I can, with 2 bits I can have 4 different combinations for that. So I say first one is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So first my symbol is 0, 1. For that the hopping frequency is what? First is FC0, FC0 plus F1. That's what this value. Then FC3 plus F1. So FC3 is this, right? Then F1 is this one. Then next one is what? Next symbol is 1, 1. Means its frequency is F3. It will be modulated with a frequency of F3. Then what is my hopping frequency? Hopping frequency is what? 0, 1, and 1, 0. Means FC1 and FC2. So just look at it. So at FC1 it is there, right? It is at FC1, no? This is at FC1. FC1, and since symbol is 1, 1, so it is at F3. Okay. Then FC2. Then its frequency is F3. Okay. Yes, got the second point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Means what you are understanding, if I want to transmit one symbol, it is hopping at 2 different frequencies, right? That is why it is called fast hopping spread spectrum. Means it hops multiple times to transmit one particular symbol. So here, with respect to this example, it is hopping 2 times to transmit a symbol 0, 1. Okay, to transmit one symbol, it is hopping at 2 different frequencies. That is why we say it is called as fast frequency hopping. So this carrier frequency will change or hop several times during the transmission of one symbol. So like that, you people can understand rest of the things. Okay, and here this is what the PN sequence is written. So for symbol 1, 1, so these 2 are the hopping frequencies, that is FC1 and FC2. Then similarly, for the symbol 0, 0, the hopping frequencies are these 0, 0, and 1, 0. Then next for 1, 1, This is the hopping frequency 0, 0 and 1, 1. So this is taken pseudo randomly, means randomly. Okay. This P1 sequence is taken randomly for each of these symbols. And don't think that for 0, 0, 1 particular combination, and for next 0, 1 symbol, another particular combination. It is not like that. It keeps changing. That is why you just check whether that PN sequence is same or not. So for 1, 1 is this now, then for 0, 0 is this, again here 1, 1 is there. You just check with this 1, 1 for this symbol. This is what the hopping frequency, that is FC0 and FC3. And for this here, the symbol was 1, 1, right? Here, what is the hopping frequency? It is 0, 1, that is FC1 and FC2. So hopping frequency is also different for even the symbols. Okay. It is not fixed, and it hops here several times for transmitting one particular symbol. Okay, so with this mechanism, it is possible to provide high security communication between the transmitter and the receiver. Yes, if you have any doubts, you can ask with respect to this, but you take time. I hope this picture will give you the clear understanding about how do we say to transmit one particular symbol, it hops several times. Okay, so with this example, I think we will be able to illustrate. So understanding about this diagram is much more important than just writing theory. Okay, so I said here 2 bits is one symbol. So with respect to that, you can make this vertical axis. Now I said 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, like that. It keeps repeating. Then the hopping means PN sequence, I have also taken it here only 2 bits. So with that, I have 4 hopping frequencies. That is for 4 symbols. Okay, for 4 symbols, 1 hopping frequency, right? FC0, FC1, FC2 and FC3. And even the same thing can be done with a different hopping sequence. Means if I use 3 bits, then the scenario will be different. Okay, so if I use a 3-bit PN sequence, then how many PN sequences I can get? 8, no? You have to divide this vertical axis into 8 frequencies. That is starting from FC0 to FC7. But the symbols will be, again, it is 4 only. 4 symbols only. Okay, here Y means the symbol and the PN sequence is mapped is easy to understand, right? So 2-bit is one symbol. So with the 2-bit combination, I can have 4 different symbols, right? For all those 4 different symbols, 1 hopping frequency will be there. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. This is another example. Whereas here, I think I have shown with a PN sequence of 3 bits, whatever I was telling in the previous case, right? Yeah. Just have a look, try to understand this. And since PN sequence is written continuously, I think I should be able to split this. I think let me mark with pen. Yes, able to at least note down and do it in your notebook, no? The sequence. So you should practice this, then only the picture will be clear. Yes, my dear students. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please note down this. Okay, I am trying. Okay, it is getting erased fully. 1 minute, I will make it so that at least I am trying to divide this sequence. So for every 2 bits, there will be one 3-bit sequence. Yeah, I will. Yeah, I think now we are able to see. See, for
Yes,
first
sir.
symbol 0, 1, the PN sequence is 0, 0, 1. Similarly, for the next symbol 1, 1, the PN sequence is 1, 1, 0. So please note down this one. Then I think I would have made a underline of this data also. Next, again, my symbol is 1, 1. So for that, the PN sequence is again 0, 1, 1. Okay. I think yes, you people should be able to interpret this properly. Means what here with the 3 bits now, there will be 8 hopping frequencies, right? So for one symbol, how many times it is going to hop? Is it possible to say?
Sir, is it 3 hops?
Yeah, very good. So there will be 3 hops per symbol. Okay, means for transmitting symbol 0, 1, so there will be 3 hops. So with respect to this example, so first hop will be at FC1, the second hop will be at, this is 110, no, means it is FC6. Okay, then the next hop will be at 011, that is FC3. Means if I say this is FC0, FC1, right? FC2, FC3, FC4, what is here, 0, or I think 0 is not there, no? Let us not take FC0, we'll take it FC1 only. So this is FC1, FC2, FC3, FC4, FC5, FC6, FC7. Okay, so hope vertical line, you can write it starting from FC1, FC2, FC3, FC4, FC5, FC6, and FC7. Okay, so for symbol 0, 1, the first hopping frequency is FC1. So that is why this is FC1. And the next hopping frequency is FC6. So next it is jump to there, FC6. Okay, next it is jump to FC3. Okay, that is 0, 1, 1. So this is. So for transmitting symbol 0, 1, it will be hopping 3 times. Hope got this point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 3 times it is hopped. Next symbol is what? 1, 1. Okay, for that 1, 1, again there are 3 hopping frequencies. What are those 3 hopping frequencies? One is this, right? FC1. Next one is also FC1. Next one is also FC1. That is why, so it is at the same line. Understood? The PN sequence, what is there here is FC1 only. For all the 3 PN sequences continuously is FC1 only. That is why it is at FC1 only. Okay. And the next symbol, again it is 1, 1 only, right? For that, what are the hopping frequencies? Yeah, hopping frequencies. One is 6, right? This is FC6, then FC3, then FC1. So FC6, that is why it is at this point, FC6. Then FC3, it is at this point. Then FC1, it is at this point. Clear? I did not get any response. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for first symbol, I hope everybody has understood. 3 hops for this symbol 0, 1. What are those 3 hopping frequencies? FC1, FC6, then FC3. So this is FC1, FC6, then FC3. For the next symbol 1, 1, the hopping frequency is FC1 only. See, 3 FC1 are there, 001, 001, 001. So that is why it is at the same hopping frequency for this symbol 1, 1. Next symbol is also 1, 1 is there. So for that, hopping frequencies are different. What is that? One is FC6, next one is FC3, next one is FC1. That is why, so FC6 is here, then FC3, then FC1. Okay. Yes, this point is clear. 1, 1, then 1, 1. Next is 1, 0. For this 1, 0, what is the hopping frequency? 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth one, no? So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, for the symbol 1, 0, the hopping frequencies are what? 1, 1, then 6. Is that correct? So let me.
Sir, how 3 hops, sir? I did not understand. Only 2 hops are there, no, sir? Like, for example, first symbol 0, 1 means it is having FC1 plus F1, and one more is FC6 plus F1. So, first one and second one in the graph, sir, first block and second block are matching. But third one, its symbol is 1, 1, sir. 1, 1 means F3, no, sir. So, FC3 plus F3. Each message symbol is hopping only 2 times, no, sir. How 3 times? I did not understand, sir.
1 minute, I will find out this. How many hopping frequencies are there? First, how many symbols are there? Just is it possible to mark from your end? Number of symbols. Like first 0, 1 is marked, no? Like that, is it possible to mark how many symbols are there?
10.
10 symbols are there. Just I will try to put the tick mark. So this is another one, right? This is another one symbol. Then this is another one symbol. Then this is another symbol. Then this is another symbol. Another symbol. Another symbol. Okay, another symbol, and last one is this one. Okay. Yeah. So here, number of hopping frequencies. Is it possible to count? This is 1. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I think here it is 16, right, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 hopping frequencies are there. Okay. How many symbols here? Said?
10 symbols.
10 symbols. Hopping frequencies?
20.
20. Okay, then there will be 2 hops per symbol. Okay. 2 hops per symbol only, right? Because for 10 symbols, if it is 3, then it would be 30, right?
Yes, sir.
So there will be 2 hops per symbol. So for symbol 0, 1, the 2 hopping frequencies are 1 and 6. Means this one. This is 1, right? This is 1, and next one is 6. This one. And for the next symbol for 1, 1, the hopping frequency is 3 and 1. So that is why it is 3, and here part of this is 1. Okay. And next symbol is 1, 1. For that hopping frequencies, both 1, 1. So it is at the same line. It's here 2 things. Okay. and the next is I think 2, na? So 1, 2, 3. 3 to the 6, I should. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, till this point. Then for 1, 0, the hopping frequency is what? 6 and 3. So this is 6, right? And this one is 3. 3. And right, for 1, 0. Then for 0, 0, the hopping frequency is 1, 1, 1 only. So that is why it is at this point. Okay? Yes, I don't know whether people are able to get this point. So 2 hops, there will be 2 hops per symbol. So I marked a few things. I think the same way you can take it for other symbols. You just verify. Better you mark that in the previous slide I shown the grid structure. If you mark it like this, it is easy to show it. Okay. Yes, is it possible to make it in the same way as previous this diagram, like this grid structure? Here also, there will be 2 bits per symbol. No? You can make it 2 bits per symbol, right? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. But how many frequencies? There will be, since it is 3 bits, no? There will be 7 frequencies. Yes, hope you got my point. You make 4, this is FC1, then FC2, FC3, FC4, like that, FC5, FC6, FC7. Okay, right, the 7 frequencies vertically, then start with respect to that this sequence. Hope you are able to understand and do it. Yes, everybody is doing it, or what are you doing? No communication. I understood everybody is busy. Yes, Noreen got the point.
Yes, sir.
Means with respect to the previous slide, what I asked you people to write the grid structure. No, here for 4 symbols, there will be 1 hopping frequency, that is FC1. Similarly, you write again 4 symbols, FC2, 4 symbols, FC3, like that, up to FC7. Then based on that symbol, right, and this PN sequence, and you will be able to say what are the hopping frequencies.
Sir, so it has 3 hops only, no?
No, 2 hops only. Because we counted, na? How many symbols are there? 10 symbols we found, right?
Yeah.
10 symbols, and here number of PN sequences is 20. So there will be 2
So
hops
2
per
only.
symbol.
2 hops. Yeah.
That is why to get the clarity, what I said, you people write like this grid structure. I said now 4 symbols, okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, that leads to FC1. Like that, then FC2, FC3, FC4, like that up to FC7 you can write. Okay, after writing in the same way, you can write for these symbols in the same way here. Only thing is PN sequence is of 3 bits instead of 2 bits. Okay. Here I have taken in this example PN sequence has 2 bits now. So for one symbol, 2 PN sequences are there, which is of 2 bits only. But in this example, I have taken a PN sequence which is of 3 bits. That is the only difference. Hope you will be able to reproduce this grid structure along with that blocking, that hopping, this one.
Yes, sir.
Other students.
Yes, sir.
This have a very good clarity. Akshay and other people. What about others? Yes, what are you doing this example? Is it possible to present any one of you if it is done? Or still you need time? Yes, my dear students, have you noted this sequence and are you doing by yourself?
Yes, sir.
At least I will wait for another 2-3 minutes or even. Okay, I think I want somebody to present from your end. Not somebody, 1 or 2, I will ask randomly. So means, everybody should involved in doing this. Whoever I ask, they should be able to present it by switching on their camera. Yes, some people, those who are not doing already, they started leaving. Yes, is it so difficult? Or is it possible to write?
Sir, it's not difficult, but it's taking some time, sir.
Taking time, see, with respect to this grid structure, now what I said here also, even with respect to the previous example here also, I said 2 bits is one symbol, right? So you write here, 2 bits is one symbol only, 4 blocks, right? For that, the frequencies or hopping frequency is FC1, then FC2, FC3, FC4, like that, 5, 6, 7. So 3 more blocks we have to extend, that's all. And here while writing, for every symbol, I have 3-bit PN sequence, right, instead of 2-bit. Even that is also written here. What is that PN sequence? And accordingly, you have to mark it. Yes, got my point, Ramya.
Oh, yes, sir, yes, I got it. I'm doing it, sir.
No. Because some people have left, I understood they are not able to. Or we don't know the condition of the network. What about other space?
So doing so.
Means what I mean to say is either I can go for 2-bit PN sequence or 3-bit PN sequence or even 4-bit PN sequence. So only thing is here in case of fast frequency hopping, the number of hops will be more. Okay, means it will hop multiple times for transmitting one particular symbol. Yes, can I expect any one of you to present?
Sir,
So
this one or previous one?
huh?
Which one, sir? This one or previous grid?
This one only, man. Means this one only in the form of grid. Here it is not written in the previous fashion. No, I asked you people to do it in this form only. Okay, there is no point in again doing the same thing. No, here. See, with respect to this example, 3-bit PN sequence is there, right? What I said here, you have to write from FC1 to FC7. Then for every one symbol which is having 2 bits, I have 2 3-bit PN sequence number, the frequency. This is 0011. So here what I am having 1 and 3, and that is 1 and 6 here. Hopping frequency is 1 and 6 for symbol 01. So there you need to mark that. Got Akshay, what I said?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2 minutes.
Uh-huh. Class. Means if you practice it, all of you, the clarity will be there, I'm asking. What about Aditi, Diksha, Swag?
Yes, sir.
Are you trying what I said?
Yes, sir.
Is it possible to present whatever you have drawn so far? Diksha,
Sir, I'm trying, sir.
trying. So I understand some difficulty. I repeat once again, it is not that difficult. What I told you people to make it is what? Make 7 blocks. In each block, there will be 4 sub blocks. To say it is 00, 01, 10, and 11. Okay. Right from FC1, FC2, FC3, FC4, FC5, FC6, then FC7. Okay. Even this PN sequence also, you can write for every symbol, for a 2-bit symbol, write 2 3-bit PN sequence, whatever is given in this example. Then it is easy to mark the symbol hopping frequencies. So without practice, you will not be able to present this directly in the exam, what I can say. Yes, still nobody completed, at least half. Just for curiosity. Yes, Sagar, Hima. Kuber has joined back again. What Kuber?
Yes, sir.
Are you doing it, man?
Yeah, sir.
Can you present?
Sir, I'm doing it, sir.
No, doing it. Hima did not talk. Sagar?
Half I've done it, sir.
I'm doing it, sir.
Huh?
I'm doing it, sir.
Yeah, can you present?
I haven't completed yet, so I'll finish and show it.
No issue, just to understand whether the division is. Once you do it for this one, I think rest of the things you'll be able to do it. Yes. Yes, no problem. Whatever is done, I think people can present just because there is no time. 2 minutes is left out. So that if you are all right, then I can say, yes, you can go ahead with that. Say nobody is coming forward to present. No matter whether if it is wrong, I can say, no, you should take like this. And why you people are hesitating to present? Yes, anybody? Irrespective of whether it is completed or not completed, you can present so that I can understand to what extent it has reached. ಹೆಸರು ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತೀರಾ. ಹೆಸರು ಕರೀದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಯಾರು ತೋರ್ಸಲ್ವಾ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ? I said no need to worry for completion. Whatever the present status you can present. So what I should understand? Nobody ready to show the present status also.